Congratulations, Randa Yosry, Gold Trophy winner in December's 2023 contest, Artists Supporting Other Artists from allpoetry.com. Nature's Unrestrained Beauty. The hostage sun was released from night's cage, climbing the sky with dragging steps. Joyfully the forest and the sun cling to each other in celebration of the occasion. Graceful maiden trees with stunning crimson natural curls putting on fashionable dresses, holding a festival in sun's honor and clustering around the glimmering dance stage of the lake. The forest adorns herself with a woolen coat covered with blaze orange soft fluff, enjoying listening to the air performing glorious music and singing cheerful romantic songs to fascinate the senses. Eager, turbulent life striding solemnly over serenity's grand bridge, floating gently with the carefree, fragrant lilies, and the cargo stress becomes weightless.